Now, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the ASSA Ruko 2 7-pin that's the bitting on the key. Now, I picked this one for the first time I think it was a week ago, but then I realized that two of the pins in chamber 7 and 6, they were in the wrong position. Number 6 it was in number 7 and vice versa, so I had to repin the lock to its original configuration, and I had a hell of a time to pick it open after that, but I succeeded and we are going to try that today. So this is a brake disc type lock. Works very nicely. It's a dead core, no spring tension on that. So let's try it. See how this goes. Zoom in a bit, maybe like that, and we're going to try to tension the lock with one medium and one small, and this type of configuration that gives me very nice control over the core. And we're going to use that pick and that pick, and maybe also that pick. So I'm going to use 3 picks for this, 2 GoSo picks. Come on. This one on the bottom is a modified medium hook. Looks a bit like the Peterson gem, but very much thinner, or not as tall as the Peterson gem. And also the Sparrows deep hook. So let's try it. Seven. Six. Right, that's number 3. And we have a false set, and we're going to work from that. Going to change to the medium hook. Start with number 6. There we go. 5, 4. Nope, that was not number 4, that's number 5. See if we can get that false set back. There we go. 6. There we go. 5, 4, check number 6 again. 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. That's number 2. Four again. Check number 1. Could be the last one. Nope. Try that deep hook. Number 6. And I screwed it up. I lost the false set. Alright. Try one more time. That's number 6. You can hear pins drop. Not a good sign. Back on 6. Four. Six again. 4. I think I got them. And let's see, number 2. There we go. And number 1. Let's see if we can get number 1. There we go. So we're open. Alright, 10 minutes into the video. Okay, let's try to do this swiftly. There we are, and let's open it up. Show you the insides. I've done this now a couple of times. Show you what the fuss is all about. This is one of the tricky parts. You move the core and springs on the top want to come out. All 7 of them. Okay. Tweezers. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we can remove the core and dump those out. 7, 6, 5, 4. That's an anti-drill bit. 3, 2, and 1. Now that is the core, 7 pins, and we have counter milling in 1, 2, 4, and 6, which corresponds to 1, 2, 4, and 6 on the top. These are the ASSA type Christmas tree pins, and on the bottom we have pins that are designed to snag on the shear line if you push them too far. Alright, so that's what we got in the ASSA Ruko 2, and I got it finally on camera, and I managed to pick this one 2 days ago, and I picked it 4 times. I was really happy. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and once again, that's the bidding on the key. Come on. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.